Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to lock your phone remotely if your phone gets lost or your phone gets stolen. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to look for another phone. So when you have another phone, go to the settings on the another phone. So click on settings and it's going to open up like this. Next thing you need to do from the other phone settings, scroll down and make sure you go to Google. So you can do this immediately. You'll find out that your phone got lost or your phone has been stolen. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the Google account right here. Having clicked on the Google account, then come to add another account right here. Then make sure you enter the Google account email of the phone that get lost. When you enter the Google account of the phone, enter the password and click on sign in. After you have successful signing, you can simply go back and make sure that the account has been successfully signed in right here. Then the next thing you can do is to go to all services. Then you have to scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Find My Device. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Now on getting here, make sure use Find My Device is enabled. Turn it on just like what you see right here. Then the next thing you need to do here is to go to Find My Device web. So click on that. Then it will automatically take you to Find My Device web. And you will be told the version of the phone that got lost or that has been stolen. You will be told. Then what you need to do here is to simply come to the top right here where you see remote lock. Simply click on remote lock and you will be taken right here. Lock your lost or stolen Android device. So what you need to do is to simply enter the phone number of that particular phone. Enter the phone number. Then once you enter the phone number, simply click on lock device and the phone will be automatically locked. They will not have access to your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply remotely lock your stolen or lost Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.